forum today provided both a unique and an interesting platform where many different perspectives and ideas and thoughts on what constitutes a smart city, how do we get there, what are the approaches which have succeeded elsewhere, what are what is relevant and what are the changes which are needed to fit these ideas and approaches which have worked in other parts of the world into an Indian context. Not all of those examples are relevant, some of them are. In those which are relevant, not all the approaches or not all the elements can actually work in India. So I think in that sense it was certainly quite interesting to see how these perspectives came out. If you're talking about a single highlight which came out, I think it is how do you build efficiency into the way all the elements that constitute urban life are managed, whether it is water supply or utilities or transportation management or entertainment or infrastructure like even the telecom infrastructure. And I think in all of these, it's quite clear that in today's world, this kind of efficiency can come about only through an extensive use of information and communication technology. I'm not saying that that's the only ingredient or that is the entire basis on which a smart city should be built, but this is in many ways a necessary, maybe not sufficient, but a necessary component of any smart city.